My name is Paul Redmond. I'm the Faculty Director of the Brennan Justice and Leadership Program. The program encourages students to think about the idea and the ideal of justice and its relationship to law and legal system. It also encourages students to think about the purpose of their studies and the practice of law. Both the practice of law but also its study is given more meaning and much more satisfaction if it's done with a sense of service, with a sense of the public interest, the public good. That will sustain you, not only through the dark nights of study, but more particularly through the longer days of legal practice. Students also say that the Brennan Program is a great way to meet other students, and that's part of its attraction to them. And they also say that it doesn't do their resume any harm.
Hi, my name is Paul Bonjour and I'm the current student representative on the UTS Law Student Society for the Brennan Program. I'm one of the joint directors with Paul Redmond, who is the director on the faculty side and who is actually a co-founder of the program. The Brennan Program is an excellent way to develop your leadership skills through both reflection on justice points and through leadership through service hours. These hours allow you to practically engage with community legal centres or any other NGOs or initiatives to really make the most out of your degree and to really engage with what the program is about, and that is serving your community. You also have to complete reflection on justice points, and it provides an opportunity to attend seminars and to engage with human rights issues and to truly be part of the conversation by asking questions, by listening to what the academics have to say, and then reflecting on that through short blogs.
I think the Brennan Program is really important to make sure that we all develop a kind of professional identity that incorporates social justice in a way, because we have such a responsibility as future lawyers and people in the legal profession. We have such a power with that education. I think the Brennan Program does a really good job of incorporating volunteer work and enough reflection on what that justice means to not just us but the people that it directly affects.
The Brennan Program is a fantastic opportunity to explore some prevalent social justice issues. What this experience does is it provides you with the opportunity to engage in various forums, especially academic and social forums, where you can discuss with your peers, academics and professionals, real legal issues that are prevalent in contemporary Australian culture. So ultimately, this program is a fantastic program, definitely something that everyone should have an opportunity, should engage in, something that everyone should do. It provides them with so much, and you get so much out of it at the end of the day. It's very, very important.
The Brennan Program has been a really great way to be informed about current issues that are going on, particularly with regards to human rights and law, which is a particular passion of mine.
Well, I just came back on campus to see the inaugural film festival event, and it was extraordinary. I was blown away by the films that these students have put on. I can't imagine the students putting on that kind of event in 2011 when we started the program, and to see just how far it's come, the leaps and bounds in the very short amount of time, the 4 years the program's been around. It's just so heartwarming to see students doing these kinds of things.
So I'm here being filmed after a film festival, which I've entered a little video into, and the reason I entered a video was because I'm a communication student as well as a law student, and I thought that it'd be a really great opportunity for me to expand my skills but also raise awareness about a really important issue. The issue I chose was youth homelessness.
I was incredibly honoured and privileged to be asked to MC the event, the International Refugee Crisis event today, held by the Brennan Justice and Leadership Program. I am a JD student, only in my first term. I'm shortly finishing it in the next few weeks, so it was really a privilege to be asked to MC, and very, very interesting. Lots of things learned, lots of very brutal facts were faced, and also some practical advice given on what we can do to alleviate the situation, which is great.
My name's Alexa Dodd. I am the Student Programs Coordinator, and I work really closely with the Brennan Program, and particularly with the running of various events throughout the year where you can get all of your ROJ points. Working with the students is probably the most rewarding part of the program, getting to see the passion and dedication that the students have for the issues. It's just amazing. I love waking up in the morning and being able to toss around ideas with the student body as well as my staff who are involved in the Brennan Program, and it just feels like you're doing something. I think the world can be a really scary place at the moment and there's so many issues going on. But by putting these events on and by getting the word out there about different issues, I feel better at the end of the day that we are actually making a difference. And you can see the students actually making a difference with the organisations that they then go on to volunteer with, and just the camaraderie with the students and the atmosphere within the events is awesome.
The Brennan Program also gives you hope and it gives you faith in your degree. I know when I came into law school, as many of you might have, you were encapsulated by the romantic idea of being an Atticus Finch, by making a difference with your career and standing up for human rights violations and being resourceful and being passionate about your degree and knowing how to apply your legal skills to make a difference. And I think the Brennan Program really allows you to do that. It restores your faith in the legal profession and it allows you to get involved and to fight for justice and to have a career with integrity and have a career where you can use the skills that you developed in this program in your later life.
So to summarise, the Brennan Program is around the idea of justice, the idea of service, of developing a bit your leadership skills, your resourcefulness, your enterprise. But it's also about making friends and, I suppose, looking to the future. So join us in the Brennan Program. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of stimulation, and I think it will actually really make your law school days even more satisfying.